This naturalrefrigerants.com article is being read by an automated voice. NASRC launches Workforce Development Initiative under California's F-Gas Reduction Incentive Program by J.O. Haroldson. Published January 6, 2025. As part of California's F-Gas Reduction Incentive Program, FRIP, the North American Sustainable Refrigeration Council, NASRC, has launched a workforce development initiative to support the design, installation, and maintenance of ultra-low GWP refrigeration systems. As a nonprofit organization, NASRC supports facilitating the region's transition to natural refrigerants including ammonia, CO2, and hydrocarbons. The new initiative aims to strengthen existing HVAC and R trade programs, facilitate equipment partnerships, recruit new technicians, provide in-person and online training, and curate an online troubleshooting platform. A successful transition to ultra-low GWP refrigerants is fully dependent on the success of the technician workforce, said Danielle Wright, Executive Director of NASRC. The FRIP Workforce Development Initiative is designed to tackle the workforce shortage from every angle, connecting education, industry, and government to create sustainable long-term solutions. In March, NASRC allotted $3 million, 2.8 million euros, of its $6.5 million, 6 million euros, third-party FRIP administration budget to support refrigeration workforce development. These funds are part of the California Air Resources Board, CARB's $65 million, 60 million euros, FRIP, which promotes the adoption of commercial and industrial refrigeration technologies with a GWP of less than 10. Tried and true. The initiative builds on programs already successfully implemented by NASRC, including recruiting seminars, free training events as part of its RTADE program, and Train the Trainer workshops. The nonprofit will host 2 refrigeration career recruiting events, one in December 2025 and one in April 2026, with the intent of reaching at least 200 students. NASRC seeks to facilitate access to foundational natural refrigerant proficiency by conducting 2 free training events by April of 2026, with the aim of involving at least 300 Californian technicians. It will also host 2 separate faculty training events, one in Central California and another in Northern California, with the goal of integrating ultra-low GWP refrigerant curriculum into 3 or 4 HVAC and R trade school programs by summer 2026. Increasing competency, NASRC is engaged in a few other measures to promote in-depth technician understanding of natural refrigerant systems. The nonprofit intends to establish 2 training sites in the state by fall 2026, with industry partners providing CO2 and R290 equipment for hands-on learning. NASRC offered an advanced refrigeration workshop on December 4, 2025 in Stockton. It covered transcritical CO2 booster system startup and troubleshooting. Online resources. In addition to its in-person events, NASRC offers digital education for natural refrigerant solutions. Our online CO2 training course provides 800 hours of flexible vendor-neutral instruction, NASRC said. Through the portal, the nonprofit aims to train at least 100 technicians by January 2026. The group is curating a centralized troubleshooting platform with videos and resources co-developed with industry partners to enhance technician skills and reduce refrigeration downtime. Quotable. CARB recognizes that an investment in upskilling the workforce is critical to the successful transition towards ultra-low GWP technologies, said Michael Fitzgibbon, Chief of CARB's Atmospheric Sciences and Climate Strategies Branch. Contractors and technicians that service and install refrigeration systems throughout the state are integral to a zero-carbon future in California.